Let me explain surgery in a way almost nobody ever does. And once you hear this, you won't unhear it. Think of your body like a savings account. Your strength, your movement, your balance, your confidence, they are all money in the bank. Now here's the part most people don't realize. Surgery is a big withdrawal. It doesn't matter how good the surgeon is. Every operation takes strength out. It drains energy, temporarily reduces movement. So here's the question that really matters. Do you want to go into surgery with money in the bank or already in your overdraft? Because that one difference changes everything about recovery. When you're younger, your body has a bigger income. You build muscle quicker, you recover faster, you bounce back without thinking too much. But over 50, that income is lower. That's not negativity, that's biology. So if surgery is a big withdrawal and you haven't been topping up the account beforehand, you're starting recovery already behind. That's why so many people over 50 say, I didn't expect it to take this long. I thought I'd be further on by now. I just don't feel steady. It's not because they're weak. It's because nobody helped them before their balance before surgery. If we haven't met before, I'm Gavin Noble from Gav Noble Physiotherapy here in Lisburn. And this is the Gav Noble 10x Physio channel. I've been treating people over 50 for more than 25 years, and I'm over 50 myself. So I understand the worries, the frustrations, and the fear of losing independence. And if there's one thing I wish every patient understood, it's this. Surgery does not put money into your account. It takes money out. Physiotherapy is how you build it back up, and ideally how you build it before surgery ever happens. Let's talk about what happens when people are waiting for surgery. Most people rest. They move less, they protect the joint, they avoid certain movements just in case. But waiting is not neutral. Pain causes people to move less, trust the joint less, rely on the good side more. Avoid stairs, walking, reaching, and your body adapts to that. Muscles shrink, joints stiffen, balance worsens, confidence drops. So while you're waiting, money is slowly leaking out of the account. Then surgery day arrives and suddenly big withdrawal. And people are shocked by how hard rehab feels. It's not just the surgery, it's the empty account they went in with. Pre-surgery physiotherapy, often called prehab, is very simple. It's about making regular deposits before the big withdrawal. Not extreme exercise, not pushing through pain, not training like an athlete. Smart, targeted deposits. Strength deposits, strong muscles protect joints. They help you stand, walk, climb stairs, get out of chairs. After surgery, muscle strength always drops. So the stronger you go in, the stronger you come out. Every bit of strength you build beforehand reduces how far you drop, makes early rehab easier, and improves long-term results. So let's talk about movement deposits. So stiff joints are like rusty hinges. Gentle, safe movement keeps joints lubricated, maintains range of motion, improves circulation. So after surgery, the exercises feel familiar, not frightening. Now, confidence deposits. This is the one people forget. Fear slows recovery. Confidence speeds it up. A physiotherapist teaches you what movements are safe, how to move without fear, how to trust your body again. Confidence is a muscle too, and it needs training. Before surgery, a physiotherapist can help you strengthen the exact muscles you'll rely on afterwards. Improve balance to reduce fall risk, maintain mobility so stiffness doesn't set in. Practice post-surgery exercises before you need them. Learn how to get up, sit down, manage stairs, prepare your home environment, and reduce anxiety. So after surgery, nothing feels alien. You're not learning from zero. You're withdrawing from an account you already built. Let me show you how this plays out in real life. So, person A, no pre-surgery physio. Low balance going in, months of pain and reduced movement beforehand. Surgery causes a big withdrawal. Strength drops sharply, fear slows progress, rehab feels exhausting. Typical outcome, 10 to 12 weeks to feel steady, 4 to 6 months to feel confident. Some people never fully regain strength. Person B did pre-surgery physio, stronger balance going in, better movement, better confidence. Surgery still takes the money out, but the impact is smaller. Exercises feel familiar, progress feels achievable. The typical outcome, 4 to 6 weeks to feel steady, 8 to 12 weeks to feel confident, better long-term independence. Same surgery, but very different recovery. The biggest myth I hear is, I'll deal with rehab after the operation, but you can't save money after a bill hits your account. You prepare before the expense. Your body works in the same way. If you're watching this and thinking, I wish I'd known this earlier, you're not alone. And this should feel empowering, not scary. Even a few weeks of targeted physiotherapy before surgery can reduce recovery time, improve confidence, make rehab manageable, and that matters even more after 50. If this video helped you, please subscribe to Gav Noble 10X Physio channel. This channel exists to help people over 50 stay strong, mobile, confident, and out of the doctor's office whenever possible. Now, there's another video on this channel that fits perfectly with today. It's called Why Physiotherapy Doesn't Fix an Injury in 1 to 2 Sessions and what actually works. In that video, I explain why recovery takes time, the stages your body goes through, and the mistakes that slow healing down. If today was about building your savings before surgery, that video shows you how to grow it properly afterwards. So click that video next. It'll be on the screen. And remember this, your recovery doesn't start after surgery. It starts with the deposits you make now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.